Blockchain applications go far beyond cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin Gartner forecast that the business value generated by blockchain will grow rapidly. The average salary of a blockchain developer in India in 8 lakhs per annum. With 5 7 years of work experience, a blockchain developer can expect to receive close to 45 lakhs annually. A blockchain developer's average salary in the US $136,000. Some of the companies that hire blockchain developers are Infosys, TCS, Accenture Tech Mahindra, and Capgemini India. You can learn more about blockchain through Edurika blockchain certification course by industry professionals. At this point, using cloud services is no longer optional. To remain competitive, one has to embrace the cloud and commit to modernizing their IT. A blockchain is a distributed database or ledger shared among a computer network's nodes. They are best known for their critical role in cryptocurrency systems for maintaining a secure and decentralized record of transactions, but they are not limited to cryptocurrency uses. Blockchains can be used to make data in any industry immutable. The team used to describe the inability to be altered. Because there is no way to change a block, the only trusted needed it is at the point where a user or program enters data. This aspect reduces the need for trusted third parties, which are usually auditors or other humans that add cost and make mistakes. Since Bitcoin introduction in 2009, blockchain uses have exploded via the creation of various cryptocurrencies, decentralized finance applications, non fungible tokens, and smart contracts. Blockchain is a type of shared database that differs from a typical database in the way it stores information. Blockchain stored data is block linked together via cryptography. Different types of information can be stored on a blockchain, but the most common use for transactions has been as a ledger. In Bitcoin's case, blockchain is decentralized so that no single person or group has control. Instead, all users collectively retain control. Decentralized blockchains are immutable, which means that the data entered is irreversible. For Bitcoin, transactions are permanently recorded and reviewable to anyone. You might be familiar with spreadsheets or databases. A blockchain is somewhat similar because it is a database where information is entered and stored, but the key difference between a traditional database or spreadsheet and a blockchain is how the data is structured and accessed. A blockchain consists of program called scripts and conduct the task you usually would in a database, entering and accessing information and saving and storing it somewhere. A blockchain is distributed, which means multiple copies are saved on many machines and they must all match for it to valid. The blockchain collects transaction information and enters it into a block like a cell in a spreadsheet containing information. Once it is full, the information is run through an encryption algorithm which creates a hexadecimal number called the hash. The hash is then entered into the following block header and encrypted with the other information in the block. This creates a series of blocks that their change together. Transaction follow a specific process depending on the blockchain they are taking place on. Bitcoin's blockchain if you entitle a transaction using your cryptocurrency. Stay tuned our next videos.